Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for teachers. We'll start by exploring its core functionalities, which can significantly enhance your daily workflow. Notion provides a flexible workspace where you can consolidate all your teaching materials, from lesson plans to student records. It's designed to help you stay organized, save valuable time, and improve overall productivity. You can easily customize your workspace to fit your unique teaching style and classroom needs, making it an invaluable tool for any educator. Next, let's dive into lesson planning and curriculum management within Notion. You can create dynamic lesson plans, embedding all necessary materials directly into your pages, such as links to videos or PDFs. Imagine having your entire curriculum, spanning multiple subjects and grade levels, neatly organized in one searchable database. This allows for quick retrieval and easy updates. You can also track your progress through various units, ensuring every topic is covered thoroughly and efficiently throughout the academic period. Now, let's talk about managing your students and their grades. Notion allows you to build robust student databases, keeping track of rosters, contact details, and individual progress notes for each student. You can set up a comprehensive grading system to record assignment scores and provide timely feedback, all within the same platform. Furthermore, customizable views and filters enable you to monitor performance trends over time, helping you identify areas where students might need additional support or enrichment. It's a powerful way to stay on top of student progress. Finally, let's explore Notion's powerful collaboration and resource-sharing capabilities. You can effortlessly share class notes, assignments, and crucial announcements with your students, ensuring everyone stays informed. It also facilitates real-time collaboration with fellow teachers on shared projects or curriculum development, fostering a more connected educational environment. Imagine building a comprehensive, easily searchable resource library for your entire teaching community, accessible to everyone at any time. Notion truly transforms how educators connect and share valuable information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.